Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to give scroll animations for the Wix image gallery. So I'm in a preview mode. I'm going to show you how it will look. So you can see this scrolling effect. I'm again going to show you. You can see it is scrolling like this. So let's get it to edit mode, and I'm going to show you what happens exactly. What is the setting that exactly is added there. So click on settings and then click on design, then scroll animations. You can see this is going to slide up. So that's the animation that is going. So there are also a bunch of other animations that you can give. So let's try zoom out. Okay. So now we preview it. You can see the scroll is happening. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.